Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony, and in today's video I'm really excited to show you guys because this is gonna be my first luxury bag unboxing with this brand. If you know, you know, and if you don't, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, then DM me if you guys have any questions or concerns. Let's get started with this luxury bag unboxing. When I was looking at the bag, I didn't realize, like, I know the name, it said mini, but I didn't really pay attention to that. I just seen the look of the bag. I just had to have it. The size is really cute. Look at me wearing the Fendi hoops. Like, I got the brown dress on too. You guys know Fendi is known for their brown, light brown aesthetic. So I got the brown, got the F. Like, I could just wear this with anything. I don't have to carry a huge bag all the time. So let me just show you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous. Like, I looked at this bag like plenty of times. Look how small she is. It is cute, I cannot lie. It is really cute, and I can put some of my main essentials. I like this bag too because, like I said before, like, I don't have to carry a huge bag with me. Sometimes I can just put a few things that I really need in here and go about my day, and I can just wear this bag as a going out type of bag or just taking pictures type of bag. I know that's extra. I'm extra. I don't care. This is the mini Fendi Boston bag. One thing I wish is that it had feet. I like feet on my bags because it helps the bottom not to get dirty. You can tell that this is easy to wipe off. I really love the feel of this, and they also had like the Fendi imprinted one, but I wasn't really gravitating towards that. I wanted something more plain, simple, but still very much luxury and designer like, especially with the name popping out like this. And they have this print on here, which I love too. I think I have glasses or sunglasses that have this print, so maybe I could wear those with this bag. But I forgot the name of this print. Like, I'm forgetting everything right now. Tortoise. Yep, it's the tortoise design on here, and it has the gold, it has the Fendi. Like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Very extra cute, but you know, like, I can really see myself wearing this quite often whenever I am going out, whether it's to dinner, lunch. And I just really like how it has this too, with this and this and this. I just had to. Okay, you can also wear this as a crossbody because it has this part attached to it on each side. On the inside, it looks like this. Even though this bag is super small, it has a mini pocket inside, so I can probably put like money, cards, something tiny in here. I wasn't sure if my phone was gonna fit in here, but when I had put it in, it fits perfectly. I have the 13 Pro, and I can put some other things in here too, which I'll show you guys right now since I do have some of my main essentials out anyway. Before I do, the bag comes with a strap, but I don't plan on wearing this strap just because it's too long for me because I am 5 feet. This is how the strap looks on the bag. It doesn't look too bad, but for my personal preference, I don't think I would wear this strap with this bag. I decided to get a chain strap, and I think that one would look way better. I'm gonna take this off. It's super easy. The hole does have a slit underneath, so I just slide it down, pull out, and it'll just do that. Like that. I got these chains from Amazon. It came with 3. I think this is the shortest one. This is the second shortest. You see, it looks so much better. It gives it more style, and it's not looking too plain. I love the gold on gold. Like, this just looks more, you know, stylish. This is how it looks with the layers. Like, doesn't it look so much better? Actually, I think I'm gonna link a few different ones. With having this chain strap, I can just wear it on the side like this. Now we're gonna see what fits inside of here. This is what could fit inside without it being too overstuffed. I could probably fit maybe 1 or 2 more items that are pretty small, but other than that, like, these are my main essentials that I would bring. Got my glucose tablets. I'm a diabetic, but if you're not, bring your snacks if you're into snacks like that. I have a hand sanitizer. This is the Gingham Gorgeous one. My keys, my phone. I have my 2 lip products that I'm currently wearing right now, and I could have put them on the side. Let me see if they fit on the side. Well, the lip gloss kind of looks forced to fit, but yeah, my lip liner could fit decently. So the lip liner that I have is the Smashbox Be Legendary 9 in Prime pencil in the shade medium brown. I have my Sephora lip gloss in the shade 01. It kind of changed its color because I do use this lip gloss pretty often. That's all I could fit inside of here. That's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 7, 8 products in here. Now I'm gonna show you guys me modeling this bag. I do want to be a reference for you guys. I am 5 feet. I weigh about 135, 140 right now. I am pretty petite, small, a little bit curvy, but I will be showing you guys how this bag will look on me. I really hope you guys enjoyed this bag unboxing with the mini Fendi Boston bag. Let me know what you guys think about this bag. Is it too small? Is it cute to you? Would you wear the other patterns? Like, let me know what you guys think down below. If you guys love beauty, fashion, lifestyle content, girly content, just any content that makes you feel feminine or extra feminine, then you guys would definitely love it over here. And of course, click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload, okay? So I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name. And I'll see you guys in my next video.